This is a summary of the food studies topic, Health and Energy Balance. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content from this course topic. Maintaining a balance between the energy we consume and the energy we use is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. A balanced diet should include a combination of protein, fat, and carbohydrates to meet our recommended energy needs. Understanding the energy sources in our diet is important for making healthy food choices and maintaining a balanced nutrition. Calculating the energy values in our diet can help us make informed choices about the foods we consume. Factors such as gender, life stage, and occupation can influence our individual energy requirements. Athletes have higher energy needs due to their intensive training and competition schedules. The energy needs of individuals vary based on factors such as age, height, weight, and physical activity level. Meeting our energy needs requires a balance of calories, protein, fat, and carbohydrates in our diet. Our energy needs depend on factors such as physical activity, basal metabolic rate, and individual characteristics. The Estimated Average Requirement, EAR, provides a guideline for energy needs based on different age groups and life stages. Regular exercise not only benefits our overall health, but also helps regulate our appetite and control weight. Engaging in activities such as walking, cycling, or even cleaning can help us stay active and burn calories without participating in organized sports.